Get excited about the 2011 Nissan Versa. This four-door, five-passenger hatchback has not yet reached the 50,000-mile mark. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. All of the premium features expected of a Nissan are offered, including one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, rear wipers, and a split folding rear seat. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Audio features include a CD player with AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.